Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you make a link from the VSB to the roadmap. First you open the roadmap, you select the whole table pre-shooting and you copy this table. Then you go to the VSB, you select the slide pre-shooting, select the function paste, paste special, paste link, and you press OK. Then you go back to the roadmap, you go to after shooting, select the whole table after shooting, you copy this table, you go back to the VSB, go to the slide after shooting, select again paste, paste special, paste link, and you press again OK. Now you have a link in the VSB to the Excel roadmap.